Hi guys, welcome back, and now let's learn lesson 60. What is the time? Sağdaşı yaxşımısızlar? Hamsa qaytib kelaylik. 60-cı dərs nimə sanla saat qancha bo'ldi? What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? Okay. Anaqda mesela bu şu vaqtni o'qiganda, bularni mesela ay kunlarni o'qiganda qanday qilmaymiz desanglar, mesela 2-14 oldin qatim bir qisqagan to'xtalgan. Avval ayni deymiz. Undan keyin mesela kunninki manchinchisi, ma ayning manchinchi kuni deb o'qiymiz. Mesela 2-chi ay degani February the 14th. The 14th ma oxiriga th tilimizni mana chitaydigan talaffuz qilindi. Bu nima? February the 14th. Shunami? And keyingisi 12-chi ay December the 31st. December the 31st. 31-chi kuni. 31st. Endi ma birinchi degani first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Shunami? Keyingisi nima? December the 25th. June the 1st. The September the 10th. Shunami? August the 15th. Okay, degandek. Endi ma yillarni o'qiganda qanday o'qiymiz desanglar, jup o'qiymiz. Masalan 1996 degandek, 1996. 1996. 19 deganda tin ağzımızdan kinstreganda oldu. Endi ma meyadimda bir genjo ba. O'sha bir bo'lgan 19 birisi 90. 19 ni qanada bir sezim bo'ldi isqilsa 90. And 90 deganda hech qanday yo'q. 19 ağzımızda oldu. Andiki qishimiz 19. Shunami? Okay, 1990. Okay. 1996. 1997. 1945. Okay, 2001. Okay, 2001. Yak 2001 sanırım burada. 2008. 2008. Ama and the macho 2016. Okay, 2016. Again, like. So ask about date and time. Mesela vaqtlarni so'raganda, mesela it's 8 o'clock. What is the time now? And saat necha bo'ldi degan deymiz. What is the time now? Hey, what is the time now? It's 8 o'clock. Today is a Tuesday. Mesela bugün qaysi kun bo'lgan bo'lsin deymiz. What date is today? Bugün qaysi kun? Mesela what date is today? Mesela it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. What about it's March 8th, 2016? What is the date today? What is the date today? Okay, what is the date today? And the what day is it today? And the what day is today was bugün qaysi kun demekçi şu haftanınki Monday, Tuesday o bu. And what is the date today? O'shaga date degan chisla bo'ladi. And the March 8th, 2016. Demak ham shu chisla. Vaqt qancha bo'ldi degan nima? What's the time now? Yoki what time is it degandek. Qaranglar keyingisiga. You know, I don't have any banana, but I have some peaches. Shunami? Peach. Endi buningda misharik xatolik nima desanglar, esketilmagan. Esketilishning qoidasi hamda oxiri x o c h s h s ma'lum bo'lsa es qattiq. Masalan, I don't have any bananas, but I have some peaches. Okay, peaches. Okay, my king, so I don't have any coffee, but I have some milk. Mana qadamda qatmamda. No, bu sanag'ini bo'lmagan ekan, nima qilishninga ajdi yo'q. I don't have any tomato, but I have some potato dedi. Bundan qana qatimiz. Bu tomato, potato sanag'ini bo'lgan, oxiri o bilan oxirlashdi, bularga naf s qatimiz. So, do you have any butter? Nima? Jam deb tushunami? I don't have any butter, but I have some jam. Bu ülgü misal. Bu ülgüge o'xshatib qana qilib sanlar ishlaymiz. I don't have any butter, but I have some jam. So do you have any mince? Sizda qiyma go'sht bormi? Desa, yo'q, menda yo'q bor deydi. Okay. Masalan, I don't have any mince, but I have some steak. So do Sam and Jack have any bread? Biscuits bor ekan. And Sam and Jack bo'lgandan keyin hamda bu ular bo'lishi kerak shunami? They don't have any bread. They have some biscuits. They have some biscuits. Okay. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz qisqagina oxirlashdi. Bugun mushagich bo'lsin. Bo'lsa ko'p takrorlab turinglar. Tekstni yodlab qo'yinglar. Ko'p takrorlab qo'yinglar. Ammo shunday qilsanglar, ishonmayki, sizlarningki saviyangiz bag'ansiri ko'tarildi. Ondan sonra bizningki shu g'oya answers bir yangi program yo'l qo'ydik. Bu programda qanday qilganda so'zlikni, ig'iz tilini, undan keyin grammatikani o'rgangani bo'ldi degan to'g'risida nurg'un yaxshi yangi fikrlar o'tirib qo'yildi. Bo'lsa shu programmani ko'rib bo'lsanglar, o'rganish unumini texmo oshqisi. Bo'ldi. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.